Hello everybody, my name is Tia Tommy. I am an English teacher for the intermediate phase. This is the Evolve Online Learning Hack. So today I've chosen the topic of direct and indirect speech just because it's a little bit of a tricky concept. I find that changing a sentence from the direct speech to the indirect speech is a little bit tricky and vice versa because there's a lot of things you've got to change and you've got to take into account. So today I've brought my good friend, Teacher Candice here to tell us a little bit more about our learning hack.
Hi, morning. So this is a really simple trick that we've got for you, and it's all about having fun with direct and indirect speech. And so I've got love for movies.
Sorry Candice, please can I interrupt you? I've got a quick phone call.
Oh, sure.
Hello darling, yes. Yeah, today I'm going for a run. Sorry about that.
No, it's fine. I'm actually going to use that for my learning hack over here. Is that I always love Sid's granny. She is always asking Sid, what did he say? And so I'm going to use it now for what Tia just did on her phone call. And Granny's going, what did Tia say? And I'm going to say, Tia exclaimed excitedly that she was going for a run that day. So you're pretty much guaranteed an 80% accuracy if you just say it out loud. That's the first step. The second one is to take a look at these tips. The first two are all about tenses and then pronouns. Your tenses are always going to change if your reported verb is in the past tense. Unless your teacher wants it in the present tense, you keep it in the present. Or it's a universal truth. The second one are pronouns. Remember, you are reporting what they said, so you can never use your own personal pronouns. You have to change them.
The third one, with time words, you've got to change it a little bit. So change all words that indicate time in the present tense. So for example, if you have the word tomorrow in your sentence, it's going to change to the next day. And our final one, punctuation, which is extremely important with direct and indirect speech. So with direct speech, you've got to use those inverted commas. And with indirect speech, you've got to remember to remove those inverted commas and use your commas in the correct places.
That's our learning hack.